I have to change out this intake filter, especially being on. You see how dirty it is. Normally, if you can see daylight through that, which I'll show you here in a sec, you're good. But clearly this is gonna be dirty. And I'm gonna show you a quick tip on how to always know what size to buy, because you change these out probably every, I don't know, month or maybe 2 months, depending on how often you use your AC or your heater. But let's get into that. Got our filter at the store that you saw. Now with this, we're just gonna undo these hand-tied twist nuts. Go. Pop this one out. Sometimes this gets wedged in here. You just want to pop a corner or pull it down. There you go. You can see just how dirty that is. So, take the other one. So this is one thing I do. Get my arm out of the way. So I put the dimensions inside the well here. So if you do sell your house, the new homeowner knows exactly the size of filter to get. You could also, document it down, put it in your notes, put it on your phone. But I just took a photo of this, and then it's in my Google Photos. And if I ever forget, or I'm just not sure, I just search out a keyword filter, and this image right here pops up on my Google Photos, and I'm able to always buy the correct one. Case in point, 30 by 1. So let's take this off. Perfect. Now you always want the rib side here facing down, and the I don't know, hexagon, or basically the crisscross, that's going to be facing up, just like so. And also, it's nice here, they did put the dimensions right here on the filter, so you could always see as well. Just tighten it up. I just get a couple threads going, and then I put the other one on so I can make sure they're evenly tight. Like it's a little snug. I just go back and forth so one's not all shifted to the right or left, because I tighten that one down completely first. And I don't do this too tight, just snug. There you go. Filter replaced.